Hello everyone, I'm so glad you're here today. I'll be guiding you through a special KBeauty lifting routine. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin together. Today, in just 7 minutes, your face can truly lift. Not someday, not weeks from now, but right now, with me. This isn't just any massage. Most massages only touch the surface, but KBeauty lifting is something special. The secret lies in precise acupressure points. Each one sets a lifting line and gently guides your face upward. Then comes lymph drainage massage. It holds the lift in place and washes away puffiness. That's why the results feel so different. 7 points, 7 minutes, that's all we need. So imagine with me, your jawline sharpening, your cheeks lifting, your eyes opening brighter. And we'll start right at the scalp, because every true lift begins from the top. Try only the left side first. Then check in the mirror. You'll see one side already feels lifted. Point 1, Feng Qi. Behind your ears, at the base of the skull, you'll find 2 gentle hollows. Place both thumbs in those points. Press inward gently toward the skull. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now, make small circles slowly. This simple press releases deep neck tension and sets the lifting line that supports your jawline. Point 2, Bai Hui. At the crown of your head, where a line from ear to ear meets, you'll find Bai Hui. Use your middle finger, press downward into the scalp. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then circle gently, allowing the pressure to melt away. This relieves heaviness in the head and begins to lift the forehead upward. Point 3, Towei. At the hairline, just above the outer end of your eyebrow, you'll find Towei. Press inward gently toward the skull. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now, circle slowly to loosen the tight fascia. Finally, sweep upward, lifting toward the hairline. This releases temple tightness, softens forehead lines, and visibly lifts the outer brow. Point 4, Zanju. At the inner end of your eyebrows, there is a small hollow called Zanju. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now, make small circles, then sweep outward along the brow, lifting all the way to the temple. This lifts drooping eyelids, opens the eyes wide, and creates a natural brow lift extending to the temples. Point 5, Cheng Qi. Directly under the pupil, in the hollow above the cheekbone, you'll find Cheng Qi. Press inward gently. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now circle slowly, then sweep outward under the eye, lifting gently toward the temple. This drains puffiness, lifts the under eye lines, and refreshes the entire midface. Point 6, Shi Bai and Zhu Liao. First, locate Shi Bai at the center of the cheek, about 1.5 centimeters below the eye. Press here gently. Hold for 3 seconds. Circle slowly. Now slide your finger to Juliao, just beside the nose, under the cheekbone. Press inward firmly, then make small circles. From there, sweep outward along the cheekbone, all the way to under the ear. This motion lifts sagging cheeks, reduces smile lines, and restores a youthful contour. Point 7. Dichong. At the corner of the mouth, between the mouth and the jawline, you'll find Dichong. Press gently inward. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now, circle slowly. Then sweep upward, all the way to the ear. This lifts the mouth corners, sharpens the jawline, and restores facial symmetry. Many people ask me the same questions, so let's answer them here. Question 1. Should I press both sides at once? You can press one side at a time or both sides together. Pressing both sides can boost circulation and speed up the lifting effect. Question 2. How strong should I press? The best pressure hurts, but feels good. Too strong may cause bruising, so press gently. Question 3. How often should I repeat this routine? At first, once or twice a day is enough. As you begin to feel the benefits, you can increase the time gradually. Question 4. What if my skin is sensitive? Always apply cream or oil first and press softly. And remember, calming your skin afterward is just as important as the pressure itself. Question 5. Can I use tools instead of my hands? Yes, small acupressure sticks or round tools can help. But it's best to start with your fingers so you can truly learn where the points are. 7 minutes a day. Your face doesn't just relax. It visibly lifts. Tomorrow morning, check the mirror. Your jawline will be sharper. Your cheeks lifted, your eyes brighter. Acupressure is the switch. Massage is the flow. Together, they guide every line back to where it belongs. Your hands are the most powerful lifting tool you will ever own. Use them daily, because your face is already changing. In the next video, we'll target deeper wrinkles with an advanced routine. Subscribe now. Your future face will thank you.